Hey guys, that's Rodion Underworld, and today we are going to review the vessel that is stuck on the reef of North Sentinel Island. And moreover, I will not just show you the vessel from different angle and different zoom. I will also provide you with some history about this vessel, this ship, how he stuck on the North Sentinel Island, when it happened, and etc. Let's move. Let's get started. So firstly, I will show you where is it located. So you see the North Sentinel Island, and this vessel is still there. It is located on the north side of the island, so we can see it here. So as you can see, here is the vessel. We can clearly see on the Google Earth the vessel itself, the containers that is on that ship, that is located on that ship. There are also some kind of other equipment that are already rotten. Well, not surprisingly, given the facts when this vessel stuck there, and well, the water from the ocean is salted, and of course, definitely for decades, this vessel became really rotten. So, what is this vessel, and how it came to North Sentinel Island? So, well, I have gone through some articles, so let's review one of them. So this article is about, actually it was released when in 2018 one of the missionary came to the island. Well, I guess all of you know about this story, so I will not repeat it. So let's move to the vessel. The name of the ship was Primrose, and it was carrying the 16k tons of the chicken feed from Bangladesh to Australia, and it was moving through the Bay of Bengal near the Andaman Island, and unfortunately the ship has faced with the storm in that region, and definitely it forced him to go to this reef and stuck there. And there was 31 crew members on that ship. All right, and here is the name of the captain. You can see it here. I tried to find some information about the captain and other crew members, but unfortunately I couldn't. Here is the photo of the crew members on the tent, and well, other Google Earth photos. So some other articles are saying about plus minus same things. What I found interesting is that the ship stuck there, and there after 10 days there was first attempt by the Navy, Indian Navy, to rescue the crew members, but unfortunately even this first attempt was not successful because of the weather condition. The weather condition was not so pleasant at that time, so it didn't allow to Navy to conduct a successful rescue operation. All right, and also I found some archive from 1981, and yeah, in this situation, all this event happened in August 1981. So this very old archive describes that the vessel, that the crew and the captain sent SOS signal for the navy, and here's even the name of that navy member that trying to participated in handling this situation. So as I understood from one of another article, in the result, the operation was handled by other people from another organization, and the helicopter, the chopper, came to the vessel and rescued the crew members. All right, and luckily, and here's like the name of the helicopter pilot. Luckily, the all crew members were rescued and like delivered to the safe zone, to the safer place where they can be then return to their duties on other vessels. And overall, what is interesting, they were staying there for, as I mentioned, for 10 days, and the Sentinelese was trying to attack this vessel. They was trying to reach it, but luckily for the crew members, they were not successful in doing that. And also it happened due to the bad weather, so there was a hard storm that luckily for the crew members distorted their plans, the plans of the tribe. But okay, let's review this vessel. So as you see, the footage from the space is quite clear. We can see the vessel here. Something is already beyond this ship. Some sort of, I don't know, equipment or whatever. And here's here where it is. Let's review it under different angle. So we can see the beautiful waves, the beautiful blue ocean, the beautiful blue waves are covering this vessel for more than 40 years. Here we can see it from another angle. Such a terrible fate for the shipment in such a beautiful place, like among the beautiful beaches with clear sand and clear waves, clear ocean. So clear that we can see the stones under this ocean, under these waves, under this water. So this is how it looks like. Luckily, due to the modern robust technologies, we can just review this ship from the space without going to the island. So this is how it looks like. Also, guys, let me show to you the previous shots from the space from 2022. Not so good shot. This one is much better. So you can see the waves, you can see the ship and some objects nearby. So I guess when the local tribe got this ship, they received the metal, and definitely they already had a chance to go inside and maybe take something useful for themselves. Let's move another. So in this shot, the water is not that clear. Maybe it's because of quality of the shots, but anyway, we can still see the ship. So here we go. (2018). We'll still can see some containers here. And it was the first good shot from Google Earth of that ship. So the real from 1985, unfortunately we cannot see it, but I guess it would be it could be the really interesting shot from that period, since it stuck there only in 1981, so just 4 years after. I think it would be great. So let's see, maybe the ocean is covering this vessel more and more, and yeah, I guess so. So if you see the difference in 2011, the more of that ship was not covered by the waves, by the ocean, but the latest shot shows us that most of that ship is now covered on the bottom. It is underwater actually. So I think we are coming to the end. So this was a review of that vessel, of that ship. Very unfavorable fate, very scary fate of Primrose vessel among this beautiful nature on that beautiful island with beautiful waves and clear sand. Yeah, sometimes such things happens. If you like this video, press like. If you don't like this video, press like, and don't forget to subscribe. It was Rodion Underworld. Thanks for watching, and bye.